Good morning. Today we are going to discuss another cell organelle, that is Golgi apparatus. So the Golgi apparatus is named after its discoverer Camillo Golgi. The scientist name, he is a Nobel literature in 1906. He observed it for the first time in 1898 in the brain cell of a cat and owl, and next Kajal in 1940 named this structure after Golgi. So Golgi apparatus is also called as Golgi complex or a Golgi bodies. Is not a single structure, it is a group of flattened tubes or sacs placed one over another in a pile or a stack. Each stack is a dictyosome, and the Golgi apparatus consists of all the dictyosomes of a cells. Each sac is bound by a membrane similar to the plasma membrane. Though the units of Golgi apparatus superficially resemble the units of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum to a great extent, it is differentiated in structure and functions. In animal cell, the Golgi apparatus is generally seen near the nucleus. It is particularly prominent in cells engaged in secretion. So the structure consists of three main parts here. Under electron microscope, it is possible to recognize three types of units in the Golgi apparatus. The first unit is a cisternae. They are a flattened sacs. They are arranged in stack form. There are 5 to 8 cisternae per stack. So each stack consists of a 5 to 8 cisternae. And each cisterna is a disc-like. Its margin or peripheral parts are expanded and contain many pores here. You can see in the diagram or in picture here. So next, tubules. These are associated with the cistern in the peripheral part, that is the end part. It is these tubules that appear like a network form. Next is a vacuoles. They are a bulb-like units. They are derived either from the cisternae or from the tubules, both parts. So next, functions of a Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus perform many functions here and has been named the principal director of macromolecular traffic in a cell. Its major function in a cell is modification and packaging of proteins. The proteins produced by the ribosomes attached to the endoplasmic reticulum are sent first to the Golgi apparatus, where they are processed. One type of processing is binding the proteins to carbohydrates to produce glycoproteins, or to lipids to produce lipoproteins. They are packaged into small bulbs called vesicles. These vesicles travel to other locations in the cell, distributing the newly made molecules. Some are discharged as secretions also. It produces a cap-like part of a male sex cell or a sperm called as an acrosome. It gives rise to lysosomes also. In one-celled freshwater animal, that is a amoeba or a paraecium, the Golgi apparatus transfer extra water in its vacuoles, that is a contractile vacuoles we call, to the outside, and thus helps in osmoregulation. So it's all about Golgi apparatus. Next we move another cell organelle, that is lysosomes. We call them as a suicide bag of the cell here. So lysosomes were discovered by Christian D. Dow in 1955. He identified them mainly by the chemical contents and called them suicide bags. This phrase refers to the hydrolytic digestive enzymes found in lysosomes, are also called digestive compartments. The enzymes of lysosomes are also named hydrolases. The lysosomal enzymes are capable of breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids at an acidic pH of 5. Thus, each lysosome is a simple bulb-like membrane-bound structure containing hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes are found only in the eukaryotic cell because it is also one cell organelle. They have been observed particularly in all types of animal cells, especially cartilage, bone, WBC, sperm cell, liver cell, and nerve cell. They are also seen in plant cell also. So, four different functional stages of lysosomes are observed. Hence, lysosomes said to be a polymorphic. So, the first stage is a primary lysosome. This arises from the Golgi apparatus. It has a active hydrolytic enzymes. The secondary lysosome, that is a produced when a lysosome with its active enzymes fuse with the vesicle containing ingested material, that is a phagosome. The ingested material will be actively broken down by the enzymes of the lysosomes. Autolysosome or a autophagic vacuole. These are a secondary lysosome containing parts of a cell itself. Example, parts of a mitochondria or endoplasmic reticulum. In the process of breakdown, next, that is the last fourth stage is a residual body. It is a structure containing undigested or indigestible material. There is no enzyme activity in it. So these are the main stages of a, that is lysosomes we observe. Next, functions of a lysosome. Lysosomes provide enzymes for intracellular digestion. Protozoans like amoeba, paraecium, and many other protists take in food particles by a process called phagocytosis. Digestion inside a food vacuole proceeds only after lysosome fuses with a food vacuole we call phagosome and adds its enzyme to it. In man, that is a WBC ingest and digest a foreign body, say a disease causing bacterium, in a similar manner by phagocytosis. Next, lysosome enzymes are used in breaking down of body's own tissues also. This process is apoptosis. Apoptosis is nothing but it is a cell death actually. For example, the gradual disappearance of the tail in a metamorphosing tadpole of a frog is due to lysosomal enzymes. A sperm processes a giant lysosome called acrosome located at the tip of its head. It is derived from a Golgi apparatus. During fertilization, the sperm uses the hydrolytic enzymes of the acrosome to lyse the covering membranes of the ovum before fusing with it. Absence of lysosomal enzymes may lead to lysosomal storage disease. A person suffering from a storage disease does not possess one of the hydrolytic enzymes. In Tay-Sachs disease, a lipid digesting enzyme is missing and the brain cells slowly accumulate lipids which interfere with its functioning. In Pompe disease, the another disease, a liver lacks the enzymes to break down glycogen. Hence, glycogen accumulates there. So, these are the main functions of a lysosomes. Okay. So, we come to know about two cell organelles, their structure and functions. Thank you.